In this module we look how to do UV-R photography, UV reflected photography. So basically this one is a photo into the UV range. So last picture was taken with the visible filter. We do now apply the UV filter. The filter goes inside the camera. We can turn on the live view on the camera. Okay, we put the UV filter on the camera, and now the image on the computer is dark. We need a source of UV. So we can turn on our UV lamp. There it is. Okay, you see now the UV lamp is on, and in the image we start to see something. First observation, when we do UV-R photography, it doesn't matter if there are other sources of light in the environment, like for example these LEDs in the ceiling. It's not a problem because the camera can only sees UV radiation, okay, because it has the UV filter on the lens. When we do UV-R photography, the position of the lamp is important because such as for visible light, we have here glare and reflection. So as we see here in the monitor, the image has a lot of reflection because the lamp is very like 90 degrees. So we want to put the lamp aside. So for example here it's at 30 degrees, and you see now we have removed the glare from the lamp. Okay, we can find a better position, maybe a little bit more illumination. Okay, so right now we are doing UV-R with just one lamp for simplicity, but generally what you want to do is you want to have two lamps, one on the left and one on the right, such as we do when we are doing visible photo. Okay, so now we go on the computer, and we need to focus. So first observation is that when we move from visible to UV, we need to check the focus. So now we want to magnify. So this one is out of focus. We move over here, no. Okay, so this one is the best. Okay, now the image is on focus, and we can actually take this capture. Okay, there it is. You can turn off the lamp. Of course, we don't want to use lamp if we don't need the UV radiation. Let's go to the editing of the image. So we close the live view, and the image is saved here in the folder images. Let's rename it immediately UV-R. Then we go here in raw therapy, we go in the file browser, we have the UV-R photo, there it is. Okay, so you see the image is pretty sharp. So the only editing we need to do is to go here in processing profiles, click my profiles and choose black and white. So basically we want to have this image in black and white because basically black and white gray tones is what the human eye can distinguish better. So instead of dark colors, using the black and white is much better. Okay. Okay, so the image is pretty nice, it's on focus, exposure also is good. So what we do is we can already export the image. We can move here from the navigation tool to see if there is anything of interest. Okay, let's go on the gears to export the image. So we see Q, we have a 1. And the image will be transferred into our temp folder. And there it is, UVR image. Okay, so this is all about taking and editing the UVR image.